We are trying to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So to multiply a fraction by a whole number, first we write the whole number as a fraction by writing the whole number over 1. So 8 over 1 multiplied by 5 over 6. Now we have just two fractions and we go back to doing exactly what we did before. 8 times 5 is 40 over 6. We can see that both of these have a 2 as a factor, so this becomes 2 multiplied by 20 over 2 multiplied by 3, and we can cancel out those common 2's that make a 1 there, and we're left with 20 over 3. So there is our solution. If we chose to, we could leave this as a mixed number. 3 goes into 26 times with a remainder of 2, and we put that back over the denominator thirds. So 6 2/3 is the mixed number that is the same as 20/3, and either of those are the solution to this problem. If they ask you to leave it as a mixed number, then we would leave it as 6 2/3. If they ask you to leave it as an improper fraction, then 20/3 is the solution. But either one is the same amount. They're equivalent answers. Okay, to multiply a fraction and a mixed number, we write the mixed number as an improper fraction. Then we write the product of the numerators over the product of the denominators. In other words, we convert to an improper fraction and then we multiply the way we have been. So let's look at this first problem here. 3 2/3, we take, to find the improper fraction, we take 3 and multiply it by the denominator here, 3, that's 9, plus 2. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2, and we put that over the original denominator, 3. There's our first improper fraction. Of course, we'll reduce it. But we're going to multiply that by 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 over the original denominator, 5. So here we have 9, we have 11 over 3 multiplied by 32 over 5. So 11 multiplied by 32, we can 32 multiplied by 11, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, we put a 0 as a placeholder, 2 and 3, this is 2, 5, 352, 352 over 15. Now, looking back here, I can see that I don't really have any common factors. 3 does not go into 32 evenly, as well as 5 doesn't go into 32 or 11 evenly. So we actually have a reduced fraction here. So 350 seconds over 15. If we wanted to make this a mixed number, we can see how many times does 15 go into 352. It goes into 35 twice, remainder 5. 15 goes into 52 3 times, that's 45, remainder 7, 23 7/15. Alright, one more. This one is 11/3 multiplied by 2 3/34. So to change this into a mixed number, we have 11 multiplied by 3 plus 1 over 3, and we're going to multiply that by 2 multiplied by 34 plus 3 over 34. So we have 34 over 3 multiplied by 68 plus 3, which is 71 over 34. And we can see at this point I have a 34 in the numerator, a 34 in the denominator. Those cancel away, and I'm left with 71/3. 71/3 as a mixed number. 3 goes into 7 twice. There's 1 left over. 3 goes into 11 3 times, and we're left with 2/3. 23 and 2/3 is the solution to 11 1/3 multiplied by 2 and 3/34.